Hi there, in today's tutorial I want to share with you how to create a template in Canva. So this is actually a quiz video. So this is a mathematical quiz video, and then you just have to guess the right answer before the time runs out. So this is a template, and then you can use a bulk crate in Canva to create long form video using this template. So assuming you have your project and you want to create a template and share with somebody, this is how to go about it. Just click on the share icon here and then click on see all, and you can see here we have the template link. Unfortunately, you can see we have the crown icon over there, so you need to have a premium access in order to create templates. So just click on template link, and then you can see create template link. You can see template link is live. So now this is the link. You can just copy this link and then you can share with whoever you want to give a copy of your project to. So I'll copy this, and then I'm going to open this in a new browser, which is actually a new account. So I'll just go to Chrome and then paste this link right here. Okay, so when you send a copy to someone else to use, this is what the person is going to see. So this is what the person is going to see. You can see view templates. When the person pastes the link or click on the link, you can just go ahead and click on view template. The next option will be open in editor. And as you can see, I've been able to create or copy this template to a new account. So now someone else can actually have access to this. Share this with someone else. The person can actually use it to create a quiz video. So now you can see that this is the same template I've used. Then I'm able to use it in a different account. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. A thumb up. Let me know at the comment section.